kami na sila.
Interview lang with
Rose, go. Rose. Coming na. Nandiyan na sila, kami na sila.
Interview lang with
Rose, go. Rose. Coming na. Basta nandiyan na sila. Tatawag sila pag
interview lang sa
Baba.
Habang biyahe para isang araw ata, pero it's gonna be worth it naman po siguro yung biyahe.
Okay, this is your first time here in Birmingham?
Yes.
Okay, okay.
I think it is my first time.
Okay. Anong masasabi ninyo na kahit saan kayo pumunta ngayon ay sinusundan kayo ng fans? I know that it's a familiar thing, pero ito talaga, Kim Pao, sumusunod sila sa inyo from Dubai to here in Birmingham.
Nagugulat kami kasi kung saan-saan na kami pumupunta, yet meron kaming mga taong sumusuporta.
And strongly requested by the community in Birmingham or in London or here in the UK as well. So I want to thank everyone who requested for us to be together for the Birmingham show.
Okay, and the show is on Sunday. Would you like to invite our kababayans to be there to join us in the celebration?
Is it again? What's
Sunday na po. Nakita po tayo Woodgate Club Valley. I think kung tama sana ako. Pero sana nandun lahat ng mga Pilipino and magsayahan tayo, kantahan, sayawan.
See you there.
Thank you so much.
Salamat.
Hi.